Hello, smart business owners and marketers. Today I will show you how to integrate your website with Google Analytics. So let's start. Firstly, we can try in Google search with Google Analytics keywords. Then you will find this option. So click here, and then you can go to get started today. This option, and you can see we are in analytics.google.com. So you see this is the dashboard. You will find it. So we can start from here, start measuring, and you can see they record one name for the Google Analytics account. So put a name. So I will name it test analytics, and then you can go, you see accounts data sharing setting. So put it mark yes, then modeling and contribution and business insight, then technical support and recommendation. You can uh, uh, opt out for any of the option if you don't like, but I will recommend to make it click on it, so you can get an update from there. So put it here in next. So we will record a name for the property. So in Google Analytics, under a account, you will get a property. Then under the property, you will get the stream IDs. So we will show it later. So first put a name. So we can set it test property. So you can put your business options name, whatever suitable for you, and then you can see set the time standard here. So I will follow the same one. uh, GMT 07 Los Angeles time, and currency will be US dollar. So make it next, and now you can select your business type details. So industry category, you can put it whatever is convenient for you. So here I can say job and application, and then I can set a business size, then make it next. So choose your business objectives. So if you are running a e-commerce site, then you can put it drive sales. If you are service based business, then make it on generate leads or user retention and app notification. You can make it no problem altogether, or you can just make it, either you select it or not, it will be also available there. So let me make it only for generate leads. Okay, then you can see the country here. This is a agreement. uh, Terms of service must, it must be accepted. So you can put here and go down there, and I accept it. Then I accept. So right now choose a platform. So actually it's depend on the type. Choose a platform. You can see if you are only web based, so make it web. If it's Android or iOS app, so you can click on it. So we will do for web, and so I click it here. So they are asking for a name. So let's say we are doing for our agency website Mark Digital. So just copy the link, come here. So it should not have any www, then your website name, then .com. So make it, so I can say here www.markdigital.com, and stream name I can put it here. test. So now create. See, so here we can see, then put a next. So here you can see two types of tag installation, Google tag installation. So one is install with WordPress, recommended, but we will not go through it. We will go for install manually. So you see, this is our G tag, that is ID is Z, this one. So you can copy it here from here. So now I can tell you that you can configure the Google Analytics in both manual, and you can also do the same thing with Google Tag Manager. So right now I will show you how to do it with directly. So I'll go my website backend. So you come here, you see this is my WordPress website backend. So if I go, and we can do it through two steps. One is directly putting the codes in the header of the website. So this will be manual, and another one is we can go through a plugin. So if I go through install, add a plugin, and so you can see normally GTM or WP. So this plugin is good to track everything. So you see, I'm still using this plugin, and so we can go, if I go there. So so you can see here. So this is the plugin here, you see GTM for WP. So if we go for setting, then you can see this plugin we are using through Google Tag Manager. So I will discuss about how to configure Google Analytics in different video, and I will share the link with this video below. You can find the link and see how to configure Google Analytics through Google Tag Manager using plugin. But I will now show you direct one. So I will go in the theme. So if I go here, then you see in under appearance, you can see a theme file editor. So go there, and if I select it, so and select, then you can see here I can you see this is the header. So if I click on it, so you can see this is the header code for my website, and only this is the head tag. You see, if you click on the head tag, then you can see. So you need to copy this code, and paste it here under just before the tag, this one, and then just update the file. So your website is integrated with Google Analytics. This is a very basic setup, and actually this is not the best way. So we will show it how to use, how to integrate Google Analytics with Google Tag Manager. So let's see. So if I go there and search for Google Tag Manager, so go there, and here you can see. So if I go one of my Tag Manager account for this, you can see this is Mark Digital for my agency websites, and you can see under our website we need to create one tag, so we can go it here. Then under the tag we will create one new tag, so configure it, and it will be Google Analytics, and we can see Google tag. So we need the tag ID here. So if I go there and you find, so use a Google Tag Manager ID, so they are offering us to, so just need to copy this stream ID that is starting from with G, and if I go to my tag manager ID, then push the tag ID, okay, and you can fire this tag with condition I prefer to page view, so in all pages they will trigger, and we can say, so there is lot of other setting regarding Google Tag Manager. So I have a different playlist on Google Tag Manager, you can have a look on it. So you will find more details about Google Tag Manager. So here we are just going for a simple and basic GA4 integration through Google Tag Manager. So I will put it name GA4, then I will config, and then save, and then just need to submit. So new GA4 GA4 config, then publish. Okay, so this is the basic Google Tag Manager and Google Analytics integration with your website, and I also showed you how to do it with the direct method, how to put the code in the um, header section. So actually for any custom CMS that you are using, or you have a custom build website, all are the same thing. You need to put this JavaScript in the header section, so that once a website pages is loaded, it can be triggered and send data to Google Analytics. So right now I will give you a simple description about the Google Analytics. So yeah, if we go through, and if we so we see next, okay, so data collection is pending. So once data will be here, we will be able to see everything here. So just put it save, no problem. So you see this is my test property created. So later